Hi guys, welcome back to Ray's Real Eats. So today we're going to be making these dorayaki or Japanese style pancakes which can have lots of different types of fillings, but today I'm using anko. So to 5 tablespoons of sifted plain flour, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a separate bowl I'm going to crack 2 large eggs. And then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're then going to add about 3/4 of a tablespoon of honey. And then you want to give that a really good whisk until it goes light, creamy and foamy, just like you see here. Then we're going to add in 100 milliliters of milk. I'm using semi-skimmed. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients and give them a good stir until it's all combined. You're then going to want to leave your batter to rest for about 10 minutes before we use it. To a lightly oiled pan that's been preheated to a medium temperature, we're going to add a big spoonful of our batter. And then you're going to want to cook this over a medium-low temperature until you see lots of these beautiful bubbles form. And then when they've all come to the surface, you know it's time to flip. Then cook it on the other side just for about a minute or 2. So now it's time for the fun part, popping in your favourite fillings. So today I'm using anko or sweet red bean paste, which I made in my last video. But some other common fillings could be chocolate, matcha cream cheese or chestnut paste. Let me know in the comments what your favourite dorayaki filling is. I'm just squeezing the ends together here to try and make them look a little bit prettier. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please leave us a comment or a like or consider subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye!
Ow. Cats. No.